Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to organize your project panel in Adobe Premiere Pro using the bins and folders, a must know for keeping your edits clean and efficient. So before we proceed, what are bins? So in Premiere Pro, bins works just like folders on your computers or on your computer since it's only you, alright? They let you group your clips by type, like maybe video one side, audio, graphics, or sequence, so you are not digging through a messy project later. So basically just think of bins as a drawers in a filing cabinet. The neater you set them up, the faster you'll find what you need. So to get started, bins or folders are created on the project panel. Alright, so now we do not have anything basically right inside here, so we're just going to have it created. So this is where we will create bins from. So you see it looks like folder. Once you click on it, it automatically creates a bin. Alright, so when you create a bin, now let's start creating bins for video. I'm just going to save it. I will click again and create vid for music. Then we'll click again and create for, oh my god, now here's where the whole issue. I've this. Okay, let me turn this into the project. So I'm just going to say project. Alright, so that every other thing is inside, both the music and all of that are inside. Alright, so I have to delete this. Yes, so that we left it only music. So from music, now I'm going to create this. Yes, so I'm going to create the video now. So I'll go back up here to click and create graphics now. Then I'll go back up there to create for what again? Let's say sequence. Oh, sorry. Click on bins and create for sequence. So now what you need to do is to organize your everything inside here. Now I double click on this. Now whatever I'm going to import will come inside the video folder. So let's say I picked all of those videos. They're going to come into the video vid. So if I click here again, you see these are all of them under that side. So if let's go back to this. So you see that all of them are under video. If I close down video, now you see that there's no more thing, right? So the next is to double click on music and import the music. Now the music, maybe the background music I intend to use for this, so I will just go and then music. Now let's say they are all of this, so I will just pick this, whether it is background music, it is audio that you want to add to the whole thing, you can do that. So I'm going to go back to the let's double click on it again. So if I close down the music tab, you see that everything music has. Now this keeps your work organized, that you just come up here and you just basically look at what you're looking for. You know that, okay, you have sequence. Okay, these are all for the sequence that I have. This is all for graphics. This is all for maybe like some graphical text or some things you bring in, flyers and all of that you intend to add to your timeline. You just basically go through them and you begin to bring them, and then you see that when you organize them into a folder, you can easily just go and check, and then you're good to go. Now make sure you use clear names, short names, instead of just writing one long background music, all of that. So just use a clear folder, because sometimes while you are editing or you are in the process of preparing all of these things, you may forget what that even means at that moment. So basically you have to do all of that. Okay, so you could have maybe another thing is, maybe let's say you have bring all of the feed, the clips, the footage into this place before creating this folders or bins. You can easily just drag them and drop them in the appropriate let's say let's say I made mistake, I can just drag this and bring it to any of the sequence up here. If I feel this is the appropriate one, I'll just drop it here. All right, so it's the same thing, but I decided to just organize it once and for all. So this will keep all your workings, all of it, to keep it well intact, especially when you're working on big project. You can create also some subfolders, just like under these videos. You can maybe do A roll, B rolls, and all of your main clips, your B rolls, and all of that. You can also create sub inside a bins folder and all of that. Like maybe you're working for a 30 days something, so if you have created the whole videos for that 30 days, you now create, okay, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and all of that, because all of this will allow you to search and filter. At the end of the day, you can use the search bar at the top of the project to search for anything you're looking for, so that it gives you an easier distance. And that's it. By using bins and folder, you will save time, stay organized, and make editing way less stressful. Get into the habit of organizing as soon as you import your files. Don't wait until project is already messy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. For now, bye bye.